Today I have got a product from Hippie Crafter. Now I have done a review for this company before for their tie-dye, and let me tell you something, that was so much fun and I enjoyed that. So I was so happy that they sent me the polymer clay set to show to y'all. Now, as you can see, there are 48 colors in this box. Premium quality. It says that the colors are rich and vibrant, easy to mold, and it bakes in your oven. And this is professional artist grade. And it includes 5 molding tools. But I just love, love, love their box. I just love their box. So let's look. I have not looked at this. I just took it out of the Amazon box that it was sent in. So it has a thank you card, and then here are some of their products. They have got all kinds of stuff. They've got anything that you would want to craft with. I mean, really. They got the mica powder, epoxy tape, and of course they have the tie-dye. That's the kit that I did. And then their paints and chalks and just their resin, all kinds of stuff. And then there's their polymer clay. So here are the tools that comes with this. So you've got a knife, and then you've got some just different little tools. Now, I am going to be honest. I have never messed with polymer clay, so I don't know one from another on how to use the tools. But as you can see, all of them come in a 1 ounce. I do believe that's 1 ounce. Yeah, 1 ounce square. And let's see, do they have the names? No. Ooh. So I would suggest them putting a name, the color name on the squares. That would be the one suggestion I have. Or let's look. Maybe there's a chart in the bottom. Boy, this is 3 layers of clay. So, no, I don't see any kind of chart for what color is what. So, that would be something that I would suggest, but it's very soft, is a color. You know, put the name of the color on either this, the plastic itself, or put some kind of color chart in here that has the name of the colors. And that's just me being, because I like to do adult coloring and other crafts. So I like to know what colors I'm using. So that's just me in my opinion. So, but the colors are very pretty, very bright. You can see what colors they are. You can see that it's light pink, a medium pink, a dark pink, just different colors. Very pretty. I think this would be great for a beginner, as well as someone who, you know, use polymer clay a lot. Because there is a lot, I mean, 40 colors, that's a lot of colors in one package, to where you don't have to buy, you know, individual colors. So I'm just going to look. Yeah, there's nothing on there that says what color each one of these squares are. So that would be something that I would suggest. But other than that, I think this is going to be cool. Of course, like I said, I had a ball with the tie-dye. So this is going to be fun to try to make something with. And knowing that I can bake it in my oven, that's even better. That way I can, you know, I don't have to go out and purchase something else to use with this kit. So, all right. So there is a promo code. I will list that in my description box to where you can get some money off if you purchase this kit. So, thanks for watching, and I hope that you go and check out Hippie Crafter. Thanks for watching.